Some days you just want clarity. Maybe it's about where your life is heading. And sometimes you just need someone who listens without judgment and gives a simple answer you can sit with. This is where the AI astrologer helps. You ask your question, it reads your birth chart, and it replies in a calm way that feels easy to follow. Let me show you how it works. Open in.vedicmarga.com on your browser. You will see a section called Create Your Birth Chart. It will look like this. Enter your birth details here. Your date, time, and place of birth are needed to build your Vedic chart. Once you fill these in, go ahead and create your account. After that, you will reach your dashboard. Here, you will see an Ask a Question button. You can also find AI Astrologer in the menu. When you tap on it, the chat screen will open. This is where you can start asking your questions. Just type what is on your mind, and the AI will reply based on your chart. There's one more thing. Look at the top right corner. You will see your coin balance. If you want your free daily coin, tap on that icon. You will reach this screen and you can claim your free coin there. That's all you need to begin. Ask your first question and see how the guidance feels.